friend, putting up a new Sudanese flag, marquee flags. We took down that bleeding Egyptian one. God, that was great. Yeah. Look at that. Hello. The hell did he went over? Oh, look at this. Go on, give the jump. Hey. This is our second stop in Sudan. We're 60 miles north of Port Sudan. Yeah, so they say stays at the very middle of the channel. The reef comes in from the south and to the south and east here. Stay in the middle. They say stay in the middle. A little beach. See how it opens. It opens up. Yeah, we're going to be going down there somewhere. I better not forget to turn while I'm talking to the telephone. That's our anchorage down there apparently. So we come into the bay now, into the bottom area, and there's a crowd of fishing lads here, Sudanese fellas. Ominous bunks they are. Well, let's see what happens. We're down the far end because there was fishing nets at the top end, but now we're dropping the anchor here, and we're going to hang around here for tonight. There we go. Lovely place if you like barren deserts with water holes in them. What is it? Oh yeah, so there's an oasis at the top there by the look. Now these are a bit worrying because we shouted, do you speak English? Said, no, speak English. So anyway, we'll see. Didn't do it there. Here's our updates. We are entering Port Sudan now.
Yeah, it's looking back in there, that's itself.
That's it, yeah. So it's been an eventful day-ish, but the two agents we've got, their phone numbers don't work. So we've been messaging on Iridium Ted Smith, who's been speaking with the agent. So now we've been told to just pile into the port and tell them on channel 16 we're going in. So that's about it. So we're going to be here for probably tonight, tomorrow night, and then hopefully we're going to be able to leave then.
Sounds like quite a while ago.
Back on our way. Anyway, Port Sudan, here we come. Great stuff. We've got birds coming past us here. So story so far, they're not answering the radio and they've just sent us a Google attachment for where they are, but we don't have internet, so that was a bit daft, wasn't it? Anyway, well, let's see. And we just had the birds come to guide us in maybe. We just got to be careful there isn't any tankers parked here, or not everyone has AIS. The fishing boats don't have it. None of the fishing boats have AIS. Just come airplane past you or across you. But anyway, we've got Andy sitting on the front there with his eyes peeled. Ben downstairs banging on the radio, and I'm up here. So hopefully soon we'll be alright. Okay, so I'm a little confused, but it's just now sent the coordinate instead of a Google map. He sent the coordinate he wants, and the coordinate is in here. It's right in there, next to a wreck. I said before to wait out here, but no. So we're there, and we're going to go right the way around to here. Oh, cool. So we're in Port Sudan. What a place.
There's somebody else calling Port Sudan Port Control. We can't get hold of them. They got home.
They're radio shy. Look at this place. You're just going to go and find the local pub as soon as we get in. We've just arrived, and it's our agent. Thank you, Mr Khaleb. Thank you. See you tomorrow morning, yeah?
Okay.
8 o'clock. Okay, it's brilliant. Thank you. Our first morning in Sudan. We've had the doctor on board, and now we've got our SIM cards, and they've got us to anchor up. Staying too. Thought we'd seen the last of that. Next to the dive boats here. And so we've got our SIM cards. The doctor's been on board. We're waiting for immigration now. But here's our fuel, which is quite interesting. It's a little tanker on a trailer. One of them little Chinese motorbikes you get, you know, in the factories in China. Very good. Yeah, so they're going to be coming over with 400 litres of fuel very shortly. There we are in our truck. Let's sit down. Right, boys. Oh shit. There's Mr Khaleb, all right. Yeah. Say hello.
Hello, hi.
And there's Marcus. Steve. There we are, down the back alley.
Yeah.
And our tuk-tuk accommodated for the afternoon. Downtown Sudan. By the older buildings now, down the old bazaar. That's for the old town. Falling downtown, look at that. Saturday afternoon in Port Sudan. There's a Mahaba hotel. Oh my, that looks nice. Mahaba's not Turkish, hello, isn't it?
والله ها هاي هذا صعبين مره واحده عرفنا في سوق الخضار هسه خلاص انتهينا.
Yeah, sorry, yep. Yeah, these, yeah. Have a bag of them.
Very hot.
Yeah. What do you get them in? How much weight? Handful.
This is tomato.
Tomato. They're pretty good because they're not fully ripe yet, are they? So.
Yeah, let's grab some of those. Hang on, it's being bagged at the moment.